Lawmakers in Frankfort are considering a bill called Jimmy's Law. It's named for a Kentucky woman who suffered liver failure while taking a prescribed weight loss drug. Addie Miners explains who this bill is targeting.
Kentucky leads the nation in GLP-1 usage, with around 5% of its population in 2024 on some sort of weight loss drug. Now, lawmakers are trying to make sure the ingredients in those drugs are legitimate.
If you are taking one of the FDA-approved medications, then you are in the clear. In some of these cases, the active ingredients are being procured from foreign sources and all sorts of places.
That's why Representative Vanessa Grossel of Georgetown filed the bill on Wednesday.
The measure strengthens oversight of prescription drugs, enhances pharmaceutical supply chain integrity, and closes regulatory gaps that place patients at risk.
The bill requires any entity that handles or compounds prescription drugs to have a state-issued license. That way, the Kentucky Board of Pharmacy can provide oversight to make sure the organization's practices are safe.
Prescription drugs are increasingly being handled and administered in non-traditional settings, including med spas and other specialty clinics. This bill ensures that when a drug is used, it is safe, properly sourced, and lawfully handled, regardless of where it is administered.
The bill is called Jimmy's Law, named after a Georgetown woman who suffered liver failure after taking a GLP-1 that was prescribed to her by her doctor.
I'm not bitter, I'm not mad, I'm not pointing fingers. I'm very thankful, and I want to use this to help other families, and that's what this law will do.
While the bill was inspired by a GLP-1 case, it addresses all compounded pharmaceuticals at any facility in the state.
With Jimmy's Law, our goal is to ensure additional safeguards are in place to keep harmful drugs from reaching patients and further protect consumers.
In Frankfort, I'm Addie Miners, WLKY News.